Hi, we're here at Zilker Botanical Gardens in Austin, Texas, and it's a beautiful day, a lot to notice, a lot of colors, and the light is coming and going. So for a plein air painter, sometimes that poses some challenges. Let's take a look at one of the first things that struck my eye, which is these reflections of the building into the pond that show a really good example of how the reflections overall are much darker than the light building. So we have components that are reflecting, such as the red roof, the white building in sun or shade, and then the sky. So these different elements are going to all reflect darker. And you can see a little bit of the foliage that's happening, and that of course is a bright spot of green. So you can make a little shift in some of the water. The water is a little bit, let's just say it, the water is a little brown, but you can't go into, okay, blue water is going to be much better. So don't shift the color too much. If you're outside looking for a good scene to paint and you're thinking about drama in your paintings, there's the problem of making all of the effort to go outside and then it's kind of flat lighting. So that's kind of what's happening today. So what I always do is I look for areas of collected dark, a good medium shape that has some interest to it with a variety of shapes, and then a moment of light. So I am looking for the light, medium, and dark when I'm scoping my scene, plus the addition of good shapes. I'm always attracted to areas of higher contrast with value, looking for an area of strong light, strong medium, and strong dark. Here the water is a nice light shade, and we've got the mid-tone in the back and some really terrific dark shapes. These elements are really going to work to your advantage, even if you take the study back with minimal information in the studio.